So hey y'all, welcome to my channel and we're going to be doing this extremely glam, very festive gold glitter eyeshadow look. So let's start off. So I'm going to use the ABH Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, but any neutral eyeshadow palette should do the look. So I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow on the outer corners of my eye and just kind of build it because we want a good amount of depth over there. And slowly after that, you can start to blend it into the crease. And in the crease, you don't have to have more intensity. So just a little bit of blend will be helpful. And then I'm going to take this orangey shade and I'm going to apply that on the crease and then slowly start to buff that into the brown in the outer corner. Don't forget to apply a little bit of the color even on the bottom side of the brown, which helps it to blend and just look a lot more cohesive with the look. And then I'm going to use the shade Burnt Orange and I'm going to go above the shade. And I kind of noticed that the shade lacked a little intensity, so I'm going to intense it in the next step. But we're just doing the same drill and using this as a transition shade and buffing it above all the other colors. So going back to the brown eyeshadow, we're going to go with that in our lower lashes and give it a little extra added depth. Make sure that you don't take the color all the way till the inner corner and it's only around like 2/3 of the eye. So once that's done, we're going to use a little bit of the orange eyeshadow to help it blend much better into the skin and connect it to the outer corner too. So next up, I'm going to use this goldeny shimmer eyeshadow and I'm going to pat it on the lid, and make sure you pat and you do not drag that. It looks very intense and strong. And then I'm going to add another coat of the same shade to make it a lot more vibrant. So now comes the glam part of the look, where we add a little bit of glitter from Daaniya Cosmetics, and this one is the shade Neferititi. I'm going to use this with the Kryolan Multi Gel and pat the Kryolan Multi Gel on the brush first and then apply the glitter with that on the lid. So that way we get like an even coverage of product, but we don't end up having glitter gunking up here and there. So it's kind of nice to have a little bit of the golden eyeshadow which is visible through it underneath. And then I'm going to also use the gold in my inner corner and also on my brow bone. So now I'm just going back with a little bit of brown to deepen our lower lashes for a little added smoke. And then I'm going to use a little kohl, and I hate applying kohl. And yeah, so once that is done, we're going to use a little liner, and nothing like a fancy wing liner, but just a basic liner because we're going to throw on lashes and this helps to conceal the lash band. Use a little kohl in the outer corner and smudge it with a smudger brush. That makes it look a little smoky too. And then go for a generous amount of mascara. You can always stop the look at this step. It looks absolutely gorgeous, but for that added effect, I'm going to throw on a false lash, and this completes the look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And so if you like this video and you found it helpful, please do give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay connected. You can always drop down any comments of your doubts and queries down in the description bar below. And until next time, bye.